Okay, so a brand sent me this car screen, CarPlay, a reverse camera thing. It does all those different things. I'll show you more functions of it later. But this is pretty much everything that comes in the box. You're going to be able to power it with a cigarette lighter. For the reverse, this is going to be the most difficult part of the install. Whenever you run this wire to the back, you're going to want to splice this red power wire into your reverse light wire. That way, whenever you put it into reverse, that reverse light comes on. It's going to provide power to this wire, which is in turn going to turn your backup camera on. And once the backup camera turns on, the screen should automatically detect that and pop it up on the screen. So it kind of works just like one that would come with the car. And then it comes with the mounting equipment, 2 different kinds. One you can put on the mirror, and one you can put on your dash. And this comes with a dash camera as well, along with a 64 gig micro SD card to record the footage getting recorded on there, and an aux cord. So that's everything that's in the box. I'm going to take you out there. I'm going to go ahead and start installing it. Okay, so this is where we're at in the install. You see I have the backup camera. It's kind of routed there where the light goes, and it goes over here to where the reverse light is. And then on the reverse light for forwards, it's going to be the purple wire. See, I kind of splice it into there. That way, whenever the car goes into reverse, it's going to power the backup light, or backup camera, sorry. Okay, guys, we got the rear view camera installed there. You can see, and then it runs through the little trunk part right here, and then it's going to run right here all the way through here, through there. Sorry about the dirty floor, but then it's going to come out right there to the dash. I'm going to show you guys how we install the rest of it. Okay, so the first thing I need to do, because this right here is, I'm going to install it just like that. Probably actually I'm going to install it like that. So I need to adjust this little thing on the bottom here. So it moves freely now. And I'm actually going to probably install it slightly, so that's not going anywhere, and we can adjust this. So you see there's screw holes too. We're not going to use the screw holes. We are going to just use the adhesive. Okay, we got it on there. Fits just right. I'm putting the bigger part towards the back because the weight is going to be pulling from this way, so you want more of the stuff in the back. And make sure this is even here. So we got our backup camera, we got the power here. Let me go ahead and install this thing. You're just going to put it right there and it's going to slide this. Okay, so it's installed. Go ahead and plug this into the receptacle down here. And you also have a USB on that as well that you can power stuff up with. Okay, you can see it booting up now. Okay, it's actually starting to record because we have the SD card in there. Okay, so to connect this, you can see it's going to, whenever you turn it on, it's going to pop up. Sound right there, right? So we're going to click it, use CarPlay. And you only have to do this the first time. Once you get into the car the next time, it's going to automatically do it. Okay, now it's connected to Apple Play. Go to your mapping, search whatever destination. Make a call, home, and you have your other settings as well. And just show you guys how the reverse works. As soon as we put it into reverse, you can see it's a really clear backup camera. I actually probably need to bring it down just a little bit. You have to manually adjust it. This is the first time I tried it up here, so I'm gonna go down there and mess with the screws and put it down a little bit, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys how it works and how clear it is, because it's super duper clear. It's like 1080p at least. And you put it in park, music, so, and you put it in reverse, and then it goes back. So it's going to work just like a traditional factory installed screen. Also, if you want to look at, you can take a picture. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys how to access your dash cam footage if you need to pull it out. Just go here, go to front ordinary, and you can see this is all the different dash cam footage. You can play it back. See? And you can delete them from up here. So I think I did take one front photo. 3 seems. So you can take front photos as well if you need to. I think that's about it. You know, it's gonna work. You know, there's tons of other settings that you can go through that will make this video way too long, but it's gonna work pretty much like your factory dash, with the addition of being able to record the dash cam. And it's actually got I think I said 1080p earlier, but it's actually got 2K backup camera. So it's going to be super clear. I'm going to go adjust it now. But I think that's pretty cool. Although you can actually record video of the backup camera as well. And pull those up. Stop the recording there. So that's really, really cool. Tons of different features. You have to play around with it yourself. But I'm going to keep messing with all these features on here. I'm going to go adjust the backup camera to where it is good. But all in all, this install took me around 2 hours just because I was trying to figure out which wire I needed to plug in the reverse camera to. That took the most time. Installing the reverse backup camera was probably the most time consuming part. But other than that, super easy install. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.